Hello everyone out there, thanks for watching this. I would like to introduce to you our debate this week, our topic this week, and this week we have a very interesting one. We are going to talk about family life this time around. We want to talk about our mothers, our dear mothers. Should they stay home to care for the children, or we can continue to allow them go work? Now, our topic is mothers should stay home, care for their children. As simple and interesting as that. Now, traditionally, sometime back in Africa, in the African tradition, mothers were meant to stay at home. Mothers had to stay home and care for their children. As a result, we had upright and strong, upright children. We had good societies, good communities, because mothers took their time to care for their children, and the children had to come up with good morals. These days, mothers already, this time mothers go out and also take part in doing work and failing for their families, trying to get some money to survive or to get what to feed the families, which was initially the role of men. Now, there has been some kind of change of roles for both women and men. Now, as a result, there has been some change in our children, in the behavior of our children. You notice that maybe these days children behave slightly different compared to the tradition Africa. So we're asking ourselves, is it okay if mothers stay at home and care for their children, or they can continue to go out and work? Because when they go out to work, children are left at home with no one to care for them, and as a result, we get our children getting different kinds of behavior. They even lack the mother's love. Like children grow up without mother's love. So this week on Wednesday, we are going to be discussing about this whole topic, this whole idea. Should our mothers stay at home and care for the children? That will be our point of discussion this week. So you can't afford to miss this kind of interesting topic. Be there and take part, participate, and have fun. Frontier Public Speaking Forum is all about enjoying, discussing, developing our language, and having fun as we share ideas and battle with our minds. Thank you so much for listening to me.